Claude's Pro plan costs $20 a month while Max plan costs $100 a month. So I spent 3 weeks to finding every legitimate way to skip that costs. Entirely, some of these methods give you Claude Opus 4.8 or Claude Opus 4.7 as well. That means getting the most powerful model at zero cost. So, let me show you each and every one in detailed step-by-step how to claim this, and make sure not to skip the video, cause the method I'm showing you is totally rare. So, the first and most obvious way to use Claude for free is through its official plan. It's true that you get a limited number of messages, and once you hit the limit, Claude asks you to wait until your limit resets. The limit reset usually happened every 5 hours. However, a few long conversations were enough to hit the limit. That's why you needed a backup option. So the second platform is ATXP Chat. Trust me, it's a game changer. No worries, all the site links will be in the description, but follow me for how to claim those sites' free offer. As soon as I created an account, it gave me a $3 in a bonus. Those $3 unlock access to almost every major AI model on the platform. What surprised me was that it even included Claude Opus 4.8. Now, eventually, that 3 credit will run out, but I'm pretty sure you already know the solution. You can log in here using specific temp mails. The next platform is Arena AI, and most people already know about it. Here, you can chat with different AI models directly, or put 2 models side by side and compare how they respond to the same prompt. And honestly, that side-by-side feature is the main reason people use it. But while I was testing it, I ran into something important. LM Arena recently removed some of the top models from both direct chat and side-by-side comparisons. Well, if you use Brave browser, Claude is one tap away without opening any new website. Just tap the sidebar option inside the browser, then click this automatic and click for Show All Models. You will see a list of AI models already available. Those are the most beautiful AI models. Pick Claude from the list, type your question, and it responds instantly. You don't need an account, you don't need credits, and you don't need to wait. Just open the sidebar and start. And this is unlimited. The next platform is NoteGPT. There are many AI tools available on it, but it also gives you access to Claude. As soon as you are in NoteGPT, tap on AI Chat. Now you can see here that all the useful AI models available here. Choose Claude AI from this list and choose your preferred model from TH sidebar. Now, here is the catch. NoteGPT does not give you unlimited access. You get a limited number of free and premium trial credits. But I have the solution of this problem. Wait, one feature that stood out during my testing was deep thinking mode. If you need more detailed responses for research, coding, or problem solving, it is worth trying. Also, you can add any YouTube video directly, or any web page, or any files. The game-changing thing is if you sign up a new account from my link, you can get a discount with mode credits also. By sign up a student email address, you get 2 months of premium access for free. So far, we have looked at websites, but what if you don't want to open another website at all? There is a Telegram bot that gives you access to multiple AI models, including some of the latest Claude versions, and it works entirely inside Telegram. It also shows your usage stats inside the chat, so you always know how much usage you have left. If you already spend most of your day inside Telegram, this is the most convenient option on this entire list. And the bot link will be in my Telegram. So make sure you subscribed me and liked this video to get 15 million of free credits in this bot. I will give away them randomly to 20 peoples. So here I'm about to end the video as it's the light method here. The tools are less unlimited. If this video get 150 comments, I will post the pro method where many new platforms are fond of users who put those paid AI models for free. That's it for today. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.